In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a DKIM record in Route 53 AWS. DKIM, or Domain Keys Identified Mail, is a method to authenticate your email messages, ensuring they aren't tampered with during transit. Adding DKIM records to your domain helps improve your email's deliverability and protects your recipients from phishing attacks. Let's dive into the process of setting this up in AWS Route 53. First, you need to navigate to the Route 53 console. Once you're logged into your AWS account, head over to the AWS Management Console. From there, you can type Route 53 in the search bar at the top and select the Route 53 service when it appears. This will take you to the Route 53 console, which is the central hub for all DNS management in AWS. Once you're in the Route 53 console, look at the left sidebar. You're going to click on Hosted Zones, which is where you'll find your domain name listed. If you manage multiple domains, make sure to select the correct one for which you want to add the DKIM record. This step is crucial as the DKIM record must be applied to the domain that is sending the emails. After selecting your domain name, you'll see the option to create a new record. Click on the orange Create Record button to initiate the process. This will open up a new window where you'll fill out the record parameters. Now, let's talk about the specifics of filling out these parameters. You should have received a set of CNAME records from your email service provider. These records are essential as they contain the unique DKIM keys that authenticate your emails. In the name field, you'll enter the value provided by your email service. This is usually a string that ends with your domain name. In the type field, make sure to set it to CNAME, as this is the type of record you'll be adding. Next, in the value field, you'll paste the corresponding CNAME value given by your provider. This is the target of your CNAME, where it points to. It's crucial these values are entered correctly to ensure proper configuration. For the TTL, or time to live, you can leave it on its default setting. TTL determines how long the DNS resolver caches the information before checking for updates. The default is generally acceptable for most configurations. When everything is filled out, go ahead and click on the Create Records button. This will save your DKIM record to your domain. If you have multiple CNAME records provided by your email service, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. Each CNAME must be entered separately following the same steps we've just covered. And there you have it. You've successfully added a DKIM record to your domain in Route 53 AWS. By doing this, you've taken an important step in securing your emails and improving their deliverability. Remember to verify with your email service provider that the DKIM is correctly set up, as they might have additional steps for verification on their end. Thank you for watching this quick guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more AWS tips and tricks. Happy emailing!